Welcome to this Past Life Regression Meditation. Today, I will guide you on a journey of self-discovery by visiting one of your past lives. You may gain clarity and a sense of peace and well-being. After using this meditation for 7 days, you may notice a change in energy, and after 30, a shift in limiting beliefs and behaviors. We will begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Closing your eyes if that feels supportive to you. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. Feeling your body begin to relax with each exhale. Taking another deep breath in, letting go of any tension or stress as you breathe out. Now let your breath settle into a gentle rhythm. With each breath, your body becomes heavier. Sinking deeper into a state of total relaxation. Imagining a warm wave of relaxation starting at the top of your head, gently moving down your forehead, your cheeks, and your jaw. Letting this warm relaxation travel down your neck and your shoulders, releasing any tightness there. Allowing it to continue down your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers, moving down your chest, your abdomen, your hips, your thighs, your legs, until it reaches all the way to the tips of your toes. Now picture yourself standing in front of a beautiful elevator. The doors open up, inviting you to step inside. This elevator is designed to take you deeper and deeper into a state of total and complete relaxation. Feeling the gentle warmth of the elevator as you step inside. Feeling so comfortable here. feeling held in the calm and gentle energy of this elevator, knowing that you are safe and protected. As as the doors close, you take a deep breath and feel yourself slowly descending to a deep and peaceful place within. With each floor you pass, you go deeper into relaxation. Imagine the elevator moving down to floor number 10, feeling even more relaxed. Floor 9, sinking deeper. Floor 8, going even deeper now. Floor 7, feeling calm and at ease. Floor 6, fully relaxed. Floor 5, halfway there. Floor 4, deeper still. Floor 3, feeling very calm now. Floor 2, even more relaxed. And as you reach floor number 1, you feel yourself in a place of complete tranquility and peace. You notice the doors opening, and you see a soft golden light appearing before you. Knowing that this light holds the memory of a past life that is ready to be revealed to you. Allowing yourself to step towards this light and out of the elevator, feeling warmth and calmness surrounding you. As it brightens. As you enter this golden light, allow yourself to relax fully into it, letting it guide you toward a memory from another time. In this peaceful state, you open your mind to any impressions, images, or memories that may come forward now, trusting that you are safe and in complete control at all times, and that whatever you see or feel will be beneficial for you. You notice a doorway appearing, feeling a pull towards this opening. And when you are ready, you walk through. Are there any distinct features about yourself? What kind of clothes or shoes do you see? Does anything indicate a specific gender or culture that you are a part of? Allowing yourself to observe this past version of you. Any emotions that arise, we observe them from a distance, noticing any messages they may carry for you now. You might notice colors, hear sounds, images, or even smells and tastes. All of these impressions are gentle and safe for you to explore. Taking a few moments to ask yourself who you are in this life. What is your purpose or occupation? Is there anyone special around you, such as family or friends? You observe how you interact with them, noticing what kind of life you lead, noticing if there is a significant moment or experience in this life that stands out to you. Letting this moment or memory unfold gently and naturally. If you feel emotions, allow them to surface gently and flow. Trust that any information or images that come to you are there to help you understand your soul's journey. If any emotions become too strong, you remember that you are solely there as an observer, and you are always anchored to your current life. Any scenes you may see are for clarity, and you see them in a calm, detached state. Taking a deep breath in and out, asking yourself what lesson or message this past life might have for you. How might this be connected to who you are today? Perhaps there's a trait, skill, or quality from this life that is still with you. Or maybe there is a wisdom or insight you can bring back with you into your current life. taking one last moment to listen, feel, or see what comes up for you. When you are ready, thank this past self for showing you these memories and experiences. Know that this connection will remain within you, accessible whenever you wish to explore further. Now picture that golden light again, gently surrounding you and helping you return. Step back through the doorway, leaving the past and feeling yourself return to the present. Feel the golden light bringing you back safely, helping you leave any unwanted emotions or energies behind. As the light begins to fade, you feel yourself coming back into the here and now, bringing with you any insights or positive qualities from this experience. Take a deep breath in and feel your awareness returning fully to your body, gently reawakening. You begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing yourself back to the present. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and grounded. You may wish to write down any noticeable experiences, any significant experiences, intuitions, and clarity that you have received today. If you would like to explore past lives and other hypnotherapy, please contact me at the email in my bio. If you enjoy this meditation, please consider subscribing so you will receive notifications of future meditations. And if you would prefer a more individualized experience, please contact me at the email in my bio for one-on-one sessions.